Hey there! Have you ever wondered what separates the successful from the rest? What is it that they do differently? Well, I'm here to share with you the 11 things you must improve daily to unlock your full potential and achieve the life you've always dreamed of. First and foremost, you need to focus on your mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that you can't do something or that you're not good enough, guess what? You'll prove yourself right. But if you adopt a growth mindset, where you believe that you can learn and improve, you'll open up a world of possibilities. Start each day by affirming yourself, visualizing your goals, and believing that you have what it takes to succeed. Next, let's talk about setting clear goals. Without a destination in mind, you'll just drift aimlessly through life. Take the time to sit down and really think about what you want to achieve, both in the short term and the long term. Write your goals down, make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having a clear roadmap will give you direction and purpose. But goals alone aren't enough. You need to take consistent action towards them. This is where discipline comes in. Discipline is doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. It's pushing through the discomfort and resistance because you know that the reward is worth it. Start small by committing to one positive habit each day, whether it's reading for 30 minutes, exercising, or working on a personal project. As you build momentum, you'll find it easier to tackle bigger challenges. Of course, the journey to success is rarely smooth. You'll face obstacles, setbacks, and failures along the way. That's why resilience is so important. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep moving forward. When things don't go as planned, don't beat yourself up. Instead, ask yourself what you can learn from the experience and how you can do better next time. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Another key aspect of personal growth is continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and if you want to stay relevant and competitive, you need to keep updating your skills and knowledge. Make learning a daily habit, whether it's reading books, taking courses, attending workshops, or seeking out mentors. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, both to yourself and to others. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You also need to develop your communication skills. Your ability to express yourself clearly, persuasively, and authentically can open up countless opportunities. Whether you're communicating with colleagues, clients, or loved ones, aim to listen actively, speak with confidence, and adapt your message to your audience. Remember, communication is a two-way street, so be open to feedback and willing to adjust your approach. In addition to communication, you also need to focus on building strong relationships. No one achieves success alone. We all need a support system of people who believe in us, challenge us, and have our back. Invest time and energy into cultivating meaningful connections, both personally and professionally. Be generous with your time, expertise, and resources. Look for ways to add value to others without expecting anything in return. The more you give, the more you'll receive. Another important aspect of personal growth is self-awareness. To improve, you need to know your strengths, weaknesses, values, and blind spots. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Seek out feedback from others, and be open to constructive criticism. The more self-aware you become, the better you'll be able to navigate challenges and make decisions that align with your goals and values. But self-awareness isn't just about looking inward. It's also about understanding the world around you. To succeed, you need to be adaptable and open to change. Stay curious and seek out new experiences and perspectives. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone and try new things. The more adaptable you are, the better equipped you'll be to handle whatever life throws your way. Of course, all this personal growth takes time and energy. That's why self-care is so important. You can't pour from an empty cup. Make sure you're taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Get enough sleep, eat well, exercise regularly, and take breaks when you need them. Cultivate hobbies and interests outside of work, and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. When you prioritize self-care, you'll have more energy and resilience to tackle your goals. Finally, let's talk about the power of gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, always striving for more and better. But sometimes we need to pause and appreciate what we already have. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your loved ones, your talents, or the opportunities you've been given. Cultivating a gratitude practice can help you stay grounded, positive, and motivated even in the face of challenges. So there you have it, the 11 things you must improve daily to achieve success and fulfillment. It's not an exhaustive list, but it's a powerful starting point. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up each day, doing the work, and trusting the process. There will be ups and downs, but if you stay committed to your goals and values, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. But don't just take my word for it. Start implementing these principles into your daily life and see the results for yourself. Start small and build momentum over time. Surround yourself with people who support and challenge you. Celebrate your wins and learn from your losses. And most importantly, never give up on yourself. You have a unique gift to offer the world, and it's up to you to cultivate it. In closing, I want to leave you with a challenge. Pick one of these 11 areas and commit to improving it every day for the next 30 days. Whether it's developing a growth mindset, setting clear goals, taking consistent action, building resilience, continuous learning, improving communication skills, building strong relationships, developing self-awareness, being adaptable, prioritizing self-care, or cultivating gratitude, pick one and go all in. Document your progress and reflect on how it's impacting your life. I guarantee that if you stick with it, you'll see positive changes in yourself and your circumstances. Remember, success is not about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up each day, doing your best and learning from your experiences. It's about staying true to yourself while also being open to growth and change. And most importantly, it's about enjoying the journey and finding meaning and purpose in the work that you do. So go out there and start improving. Start believing in yourself and taking action towards your dreams. Start building the life you want, one day at a time. And know that with dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn, anything is possible. I believe in you, and I know that you have what it takes to achieve greatness. So don't wait another day, start now. Start small and build momentum. Start believing in yourself and taking action towards your goals. Start living the life you've always dreamed of, one improvement at a time. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and keep moving forward. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for excellence. And know that with each step you're getting closer to your ultimate destination. So go out there and make it happen. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop improving. Because when you commit to personal growth, there's no limit to what you can achieve. You have the power within you to create the life you want, so start using it today. And if you ever feel stuck or discouraged, remember this, you are not alone. There are countless others on this journey with you, all working towards their own goals and dreams. Reach out for support when you need it, and offer support to others when you can. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. So let's make a pact right here and now. Let's commit to improving ourselves each and every day. Let's push ourselves outside of our comfort zones and see what we're truly capable of. Let's inspire each other and hold each other accountable. And most importantly, let's enjoy the ride and have fun along the way. Because at the end of the day, that's what life is all about. It's about the experiences we have, the people we meet, and the memories we create. It's about learning, growing, and becoming the best version of ourselves. And it's about making a positive impact on the world in whatever way we can. So go out there and start improving. Start living your best life, one day at a time, and know that with each step you're getting closer to your ultimate potential. The world is waiting for you, so don't keep it waiting any longer. Start now and never look back. And remember, the only limit to your success is the one you place on yourself. So dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because with the right mindset, the right habits, and the right support system, anything is possible. So here's to your success, your growth, and your unlimited potential. May you always have the courage to pursue your dreams, the resilience to overcome your challenges, and the wisdom to learn from your experiences. May you always surround yourself with people who lift you up, and may you always be a source of inspiration and support for others. And most importantly, may you always stay true to yourself and never lose sight of what really matters. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey, it's about who you become along the way and the impact you make on the world. So go out there and start improving. Start believing in yourself and taking action towards your goals. Start living the life you've always dreamed of, one day at a time, and know that with each step you're getting closer to your ultimate potential. The world is waiting for you, so don't keep it waiting any longer. Start now and never look back. Your best life is waiting for you, so go out there and claim it. And remember, the only limit to your success is the one you place on yourself. So dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because with the right mindset, the right habits, and the right support system, anything is possible. So here's to your journey, your growth, and your unlimited potential. May you always have the courage to pursue your dreams, the resilience to overcome your challenges, and the wisdom to learn from your experiences. May you always surround yourself with people who lift you up, and may you always be a source of inspiration and support for others. And most importantly, may you always stay true to yourself and never lose sight of what really matters. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey, it's about who you become along the way and the impact you make on the world. So go out there and start improving. Start believing in yourself and taking action towards your goals. Start living the life you've always dreamed of, one day at a time. And know that with each step, you're getting closer to your ultimate potential. The world is waiting for you, so don't keep it waiting any longer. Start now and never look back. Your best life is waiting for you, so go out there and claim it. And remember, the only limit to your success is the one you place on yourself. So dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because with the right mindset, anything is possible.